Welcome to DevVani. Today, we're creating a digital clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Add a style tag. Now, add a style tag in the head section to include our CSS. Add a div, another div with the class name banner. Add a class name center for the first div. Add a span and write your local time. Create another div with class name clock. Include a script tag and link an external JavaScript file. Let's style the body and elements. Add background color and text color. Use display, flex, align items to center, add height, and set flex direction column. Add some padding. Move to JavaScript. Create a const variable and use getElementById to store the clock's ID. Use setInterval to reload the function. Add a function and use the date object to get the current time. Apply to locale time string and add milliseconds to update every second. Final step, and that's it. Your digital clock is now ready to display the current time dynamically. And thanks for following along. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on DevVani. See you in the next video.